If you don't aim at being number one, you will end up not even in 100, top 100.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we had Edward with us. He's an advisor, investor in 2 unicorns. He founded AGI Alliance with goals to build a global agent network of scaling AI-related innovative startups. So Edward, tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend tech entrepreneurs in order to achieve the first million?
Thank you for inviting me in your podcast. I am happy to share my knowledge, my experience. Actually, sharing is the number one advice.
Very good. Step number 1, sharing. Very powerful.
Yeah. In my experience, I always accepted invitation to events, to interviews. So this is the number one secret of success. You should share your experience. You should reach as much outreach, media outreach, expert community outreach as you can. It is number one. Second advice, how to build million and even billion-dollar business. It is to have right partners. Again, if you share your knowledge and your secrets, you get people coming to you, and in this way, you will get good partners, which are also generous and kind. Number 3 advice, it is to become number one expert in your area. As the Prime Minister of Singapore said, if you don't aim at being number one, you will end up not even in 100, top 100. Yeah. So aspiration, big aspiration, and industry knowledge, deep industry knowledge is number 4 secret of success. And number 5 secret of success are finding right co-founders. I will bring the example of PayPal because today in Saudi Arabia, my partner is meeting Elon Musk, who was one of co-founders PayPal. And the example of PayPal shows that if you unite with like-minded people, like in PayPal, it was Peter Thiel, it was Elon Musk, it was founder of LinkedIn. So a lot of good people, when they meet and they trust each other, it is number 5 secret of success.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.